Welcome to the silence of extreme efficiency. Here in Taylor, Texas, we are standing before the largest production site of its kind, the Samsung Taylor facility. Spanning a staggering 4.85 million square meters, this complex is larger than Samsung's massive hubs in Pyeongtaek and Hwaseong combined. This is where the physical and digital worlds finally merge. In 2026, the industrial landscape has shifted. We have moved beyond simple connected operations toward AI-enabled autonomous workloads. This is the era of physical AI, where machines no longer just follow code. They perceive, decide, and act autonomously in the real world. Our project, the Industrial Time Capsule, began as a dream to bring a 1981 legend into this new reality. But to build the future, we needed more than just vision. We needed the right economic environment. For years, American automation was stalled by a tax code that treated high-tech robots like office furniture. But everything changed with the signing of the One Big Beautiful Bill on July 4, 2026. This legislation provided a $3 trillion boost to American manufacturing, turning innovation into an immediate financial asset. Policy drives precision. Before the new bill, a $200,000 robotics cell was a risky investment, with tax deductions spread thin over many years. The One Big Beautiful Bill introduced 100% bonus depreciation, allowing manufacturers to write off the entire cost of advanced equipment in the very first year. For our DeLorean restoration, this changed the math overnight. We could now justify the absolute best technology, including the standard Bots R01 arms that assembled this machine. These robots offer a repeatability of plus or minus 0.025 millimeters, bringing a level of precision to a private garage that was once reserved for elite aerospace facilities. This bill didn't just help with hardware, it fully restored immediate R&D expensing. Every hour spent training our agentic AI to navigate the complex world was now deductible in the same year. In a world facing a severe labor shortage, where the average welder is now 40 years old, this shift wasn't just helpful, it was essential for survival. By removing the financial barriers to automation, the bill allowed us to focus on the impossible, building a car that is as much a supercomputer as it is a vehicle. At the center of this car sits a miracle of modern lithography. This is the Samsung AI6 core, a 2-nanometer processor designed for the most demanding autonomous workloads. These chips are forged in the Taylor facility using extreme ultraviolet EUV lithography, a process where a single machine can cost over $339 million. Samsung's strategy in Texas is clear: to dominate the 2-nanometer market by 2027. This specific silicon is part of a landmark $16.5 billion contract to power the next generation of physical intelligence. With gate-all-around (GAA) transistors, the AI6 core can process billions of environmental data points while consuming a fraction of the power of older architectures. This isn't just about speed, it's about trusted reality. The car must reason about its position, the identity of objects around it, and the fluid physics of the road with absolute certainty. When you see the vibrant orange glow of the internal core, you are looking at a system that can simulate reality faster than it happens. This is the power required for Level 5 autonomy, enabling the car to handle tasks that used to take months of engineering in mere days of data collection. true quality is found in the details that are invisible to the naked eye. To achieve the Nana-Banana polish on the DeLorean stainless steel body, we used AI-controlled finishing systems that sense surface tension at the micron level. As the standard bot's arms move with their surgical plus or minus 0.025 millimeters precision, they apply a nanoceramic coating that creates a perfect hydrophobic shield. Watch how the raindrops hit the surface. They don't smear, they don't trail, they slide off instantly, obeying the laws of advanced fluid physics. This level of finish is only possible because the manufacturing environment itself has become intelligent. We are using unified namespaces and digital twins to monitor every weld and every bolt in real time. Even the recycled fabric of the interior, woven from millions of discarded plastic bottles, has been transformed into a material that looks and feels like high-tech carbon fiber. This is sustainable luxury, where modern agriculture technology and industrial recycling meet to create something entirely new. Every texture and every mechanical movement is a testament to what can be achieved when physical AI is given the tools to act contextually in our world. The role of the automobile is being redefined. As sales of traditional electric cars fluctuated, the industry realized that batteries are more than just fuel. They are energy storage systems, ESS. Our DeLorean is now a mobile node in a much larger energy grid. Equipped with Samsung SDI battery technology, the car can power a small server rack or provide backup energy to an AI data center. This integration is critical because the AI boom has created an insatiable demand for stable, continuous power. In North America, 10 major factories are already being converted to produce these ESS elements to support the growing network of data processing hubs. As the car pulls out onto the highway, it connects to the world via 6G connectivity, a technology once far on the horizon, now coming into focus. This allows the vehicle to function as an agentic AI, an autonomous agent that plans, decides, and executes complex tasks with minimal human supervision. It doesn't just drive, it manages its own workload, coordinates with automated delivery trucks, and communicates with the Taylor facility's central intelligence. We have moved past the nightmare of competing capitals into an era where energy and information flow together seamlessly. We call this the industrial time capsule because it carries the spirit of 1981 into the autonomous reality of 2026. Placing a small die-cast toy of the original model on the dashboard is a reminder of how far we've come. From the rusted remains of the old Moraine assembly plant, which was once a General Motors landmark before being reborn as a high-tech glass facility, we have learned that industry never truly dies, it only evolves. The one big beautiful bill provided the spark, but human ingenuity and physical AI provided the fire. As the dawn breaks over the Texas desert, the DeLorean sits alone on the road, its internal orange glow matching the rising sun. The screen displays a simple message: updating physical AI, success. This is the final approval of a journey that cost billions and took years, but resulted in perfection. The future is no longer a vision. It is a mirror-polished reality that reflects the stars with absolute clarity. And it is exactly as beautiful as we imagined.